This just in from the Truth Social desk of President Donald J. Trump.
Alert! All purchases of Iranian oil or petrochemical products must stop now. Any country or person who buys a NY amount of oil or petrochemicals from Iran will be subject to immediately secondary sanctions. They will not be allowed to do business with the United States of America in any way, shape, or form. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald J. Trump.
All brought to you courtesy